$50 gift card.
Okay, guys, welcome to another My Channel 97 video. Here today, we're going to be testing out the new. We're going to be testing out the new Air Hogs RC helicopter, the Havoc. And now Tom's is going to be the support crew. So we are all turned on and we are set. We are set. Radio test is in. Do a radio test. Let's do a radio test. Okay, radio test. Thomas, once it takes off, I just want you to hold the camera, okay?
Roger that.
Go.
Clear for takeoff.
It's slipping. Grab the camera. It's fine. I got it. Just grab it and record. Just grab it and record. So now we're going to test it out. Let's calibrate it.
Also get the new Silent Hunter.
Okay, just keep recording.
Okay, now let's look at Korean Air photos.
Come on, that's the Airbus A380-800 series. If you are asking. So now the LED light is on.
I am a bad videotaper.
Probably. Did it break?
Crash. I have no idea. Oh, there it is.
Okay, now the green light is blinking, which means it's okay. Is it still recording?
Yep.
Thank you.
Time.
Final test flight of this video, if I can make a successful turn. It's a great video. Comment, rate, subscribe my channel 97, and Thomas will have his own account soon. TB40, I think it will be called.
Yeah.
So check out that. He'll have his own account within the next few days, or hours actually, or minutes. So, also, tell me, I got these
Flight goggles.
RAF flight goggles from
I think nobody cares.
the American Air Power Museum yesterday. Comment, like, do whatever you want. I just think they're cool because, you know, me and airplanes, always people from school. And the photo of the background. So, final test with the LED light on. So we calibrate it again. Why don't you come over here to the nice comfy chair?
No, this chair's comfy.
Why, you're worried?
Yeah. You man, I'm getting better at videotaping.
Good for you.
Okay, land.
Get out here so you can see the landing.
And touchdown.
And grab onto me. So here is the Air Hogs RC helicopter.
Okay, we get it.
Havoc. Great
3,
test flight.
2,
Grab it.
1.
Bye.
Bye.